With Jamboard being phased out, another really great online word alternative is Figjam by Figma. And they have an education version too. You just go to figma.com/education and sign up with your school email address. Once you're ready to go, you're going to log in, and then I'm going to show you how you can take your existing Jamboards and easily import them into Figjam. So you're going to log in. On the top right-hand corner of the dashboard, you'll see Import, Bring in External Files. Click that, and then you're going to select Add Jamboard Files. Connect Google Drive to Figjam. Click on your email address, and then what it's going to do is going to connect to your Jamboard files. Once you're here, you can click individually and import them, or you can select multiple. You could select them all. All you do, if you want to select them all, is click the first one, scroll down to the last one that you want to save, and then click the Shift key on your keyboard, and then you'll see all of them are selected. You just click select and it'll import all of them all at once. It might take a little while if you have a lot of Jamboard files, but once you do that and they import, you'll see them all in Figjam. Then you could just open them up and use them. And that's it. That's how you can import your existing Jamboard files into Figjam.